So if you're planning to start making short films or even starting on YouTube, in 2020 there are free video editing softwares that will help you to produce high quality videos. So today we're gonna count down the absolute best 5 free and powerful video editors for Windows, Mac and Linux. Those programs or softwares all include professional quality tools and features, and they all 100% free to download and install on your computer. Also have no watermark by any means, so let's get right into it. Coming at number 5 is Lightworks. This video editing software has been used in many Hollywood productions, like The Wolf of Wall Street, Pulp Fiction, Mission Impossible and many others. You can download it for free, but it has paid version too, with extra tools and features. Myself, I used the free version for many years, and I still come back to it from time to time. I consider it from the best free video editors available, and I like it so much just for the ease of use. All you have to do is watch some of the tutorials in their site or on YouTube and you're good to go. I highly recommend this software for beginners in video editing, cause it has all the tools and features that you're gonna need, and it's one of the easiest video editors to learn. Lightworks is available for Windows, Mac and Linux. At number 4 we have OpenShot. This free and open source video editor is great for beginners, with less learning curve than the other programs. It's an easy to use video editing software and it has a lot of tools and features. The most important are a ton of video effects, title editor and 3D animations, and a lot more. And when you export your project, it has multiple resolutions up to 4K. And it's continuously getting updates to add some new tools and features and making it more stable than ever. OpenShot is available for Windows, Mac and Linux. Shotcut is the number 3 on this list. Like the previous program, Shotcut is completely free, and it has all the best features and advanced tools that you're gonna need. And on top of that, it supports the most popular video and audio file formats, and with export resolution up to 4K. The video effects is powerful and includes transitions, color correction and various filters. Shotcut is an excellent free video editing software that I highly recommend for beginners that are trying to start on YouTube or video editing overall. Shotcut is available for Windows, Mac and Linux. At number 2 we have HitFilm Express, the free version, and HitFilm Pro, the paid version. The users of HitFilm Express exceeded 5 million while we making this video. Even the free version of this software is a master of video editor, packed with the best features and tools to create professional high quality projects and videos. It includes more than 410 effects and presets, 2D and 3D compositing, and ultimate tracks and transitions, with an export resolution up to 4K and whole a lot more. If you're getting started learning how to use HitFilm Express, they have step-by-step video tutorials in their website and YouTube. But before you download HitFilm Express, make sure your PC meets or exceeds the hardware requirement that will let this video editing software run smoothly. HitFilm Express is available for Windows and Mac. At number 1 is DaVinci Resolve. This video editor is released in 2004. The free version of this program includes so many advanced tools and features mostly found in inexpensive software, and it is in fierce competition with HitFilm Express. Some of the key features of DaVinci Resolve includes multi-track timeline editing 4K, various trimming tools, multi-track timeline editing, along with a lot of transitions and effects. And what makes it even better is the fusion section inside it to create high quality film visual effects and motion graphics. And the white section of the color correction tools is the best of any video editing software, free or paid. DaVinci Resolve is available for Windows and Mac and Linux. So that's all for me guys. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe for more videos like this. Peace out.